In this video tutorial, we'd like to present you Wavin CAD to Revit feature. Wavin came up with a new, quick method of converting simple CAD lines into 3D parametric objects, adjusted to the BIM standard. Despite the growing popularity of BIM, many drawings are still being created in CAD. To convert such project into a Revit file, it is necessary to first link the CAD file to Revit and then create the model from scratch. Coordinating the two files is time-consuming and prone to errors. To facilitate these exact issues, Wavin introduced two new features, the first one being CAD Layer to Pipe feature. Now we are going to present you how to use this plugin. Before being able to use CAD Layer to Pipe feature, you need to first import the CAD file to your Revit project. Go to the Insert tab. Click on the Link CAD button. Select the DWG file that you want to link. Wait for the project to load. As you can see, the project is now linked to your Revit file. Now, click on the imported CAD file. Go to the Wavin tab, then select CAD Layer to Pipe button, which is the extension of the existing Change Type plugin. After clicking on the button, Change Type CAD window will appear. Here you have several settings that need to be adjusted. In the manufacturer pipe types, you can choose the type of pipe you want to be used for the project. Remember, CAD Layer to Pipe feature can only work with Wavin packages. Therefore, it is necessary to download the right package before starting on a project. In the diameter field, you can choose the size of your type, which is given in millimeters. Below that, you have the Pipe System option, which allows you to choose the system your installations belong to. For this project, sanitary system will be chosen. The minimum line length indicates the minimum size for a CAD line to be considered by the plugin. If the line is shorter than the indicated size, it will not be converted to a pipe. In the last part, you can choose which layers shall be converted by the plugin. Notice that all the layers listed in the window are analogical to the ones included in the CAD file, which you have previously linked to your Revit project. It is possible to select just one or many layers. For this project, we will use the sanitary system layer. Hit the Apply button and wait for your system to be created. Now you can see that all the lines which belong to the sanitary system layer were converted into pipes and that the fittings were automatically inserted. You will notice that all the pipes have the same diameter of 50 millimeters, according to the value that was chosen in the Change Type CAD window. Nevertheless, the project also includes pipes of bigger diameters. To alter that, mark all the pipes and fittings that need to be converted to 110 millimeter size and change that value in the diameter field. Now, all the pipes have accurate diameters. You can check that in the Properties window. After the system has been created, it will also appear in the Wavin validation view. All pipes and fittings will also be added to the schedules, together with the necessary data. In a real environment, pipe network is much more complicated. Let's try to repeat the action, this time in a more complex network. Here we have 9 bathrooms. We want to create 3D installation systems quickly. Now we select the drawing. Within a few clicks, all the lines in all the bathrooms are converted into pipes at once. See? It's that easy. Now let's have a look at the second feature, CAD Object to Pipe feature. To use the plugin, click on the CAD drawing first. Go to the Wavin tab, unfold Change Type option, and click on the CAD Object to Pipe button. Let the system load. Next, a window will appear. Just as with the previous plugin, you can select the pipe type, pipe diameter, and system. Select the lines you want to convert. The new pipes will exactly match the description from the window. Notice that the system will not allow you to choose objects which are not convertible by the plugin, like, for example, circles. By ticking the multi-selection option, it becomes possible to convert multiple lines using square selection method. Let's do that for the 110mm pipes. Remember that for the plugin to work, the window needs to be active at all times. Click the OK button and wait for the changes to be saved. Just like before, the pipes will be visible in Wavin Validation View and added to schedules. Unlike the previous plugin, CAD to Object pipe feature allows the user to create pipes only. The fittings need to be added manually. When working on the projects, it is recommended to use either CAD Layer to Pipe or CAD Object to Pipe plugin. This way, multiplication of the same pipes can be avoided. As you can see, the new features make it possible to create systems with just a few clicks. No matter if you work with plan, section, or 3D CAD drawings, the features will still work in the exact same way by following the lines of a selected layer. The tools are simple, accurate, effective, intuitive, cost-saving, and time-saving. Imagine having your project ready with just one click. System design has never been easier. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the rest of Wavin's tips and tricks tutorials on our dedicated BIM channel.